Zoom Workplace. Zoom Workplace. Meeting audio may not be. Unmute. Lesson 2. Lesson 2. Installing and launching NVDA. Want to get NVDA running on your computer quickly and safely? Let's install it step by step. Hey, it's Norman, the blind guy with a vision. Think computers aren't for you? Stick around, and I'll show you how NVDA lets you connect with the digital world. Unlock your computer's potential, and do anything you set your mind to. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. You may need assistance with this task depending on your vision status, and that's perfectly okay. First, open your web browser. You may use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Go to your desktop and double-click on the browser icon, or press the Windows key, type the browser name, and press Enter. Speak Command keys on. Start window, search window, chat ROME, Google Chrome, Enter. NVDA Plus 4. ChatGPT, Lesson 2. Tech. Lesson. Once your browser is open, go to the NVDA website at nvaccess.org by typing nvaccess.org into the address bar. When the page loads, find the download section. You will be asked to choose between the installer and the portable version. The installer sets up NVDA directly on your computer and is recommended for most users. The portable version runs NVDA from a folder or a USB drive without installing it. Choose the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. The NVDA setup wizard should automatically launch. If you are using Google Chrome, you may need to press Ctrl+J to open the downloads list. From there, select the NVDA installer file and press Enter to open it, or choose the option to show it in the folder and press Enter. You can also press the Windows key, type NVDA, listen for the installer file name, and press Enter. Once the installer starts, you will hear NVDA launch. ChatGPT, screen sharing meeting, Zoom Workplace column 4, Lesson 2, ChatGPT, screen sharing, Zoom Workplace window. Start window, ChatGPT, Google Chrome, app, ROE, Google Chrome, app, Chrome. Search, Google Chrome window. nvaccess.org location from history, V unselected, C E on S nvaccess, G org, nvaccess.org selected, nvaccess. Clickable main landmark. We believe that every blind plus vision impaired person deserves the right to freely and easily access a computer. Heading Level 2. List with 3 items. Download the NVDA screen reader visited link. NVAccess download. Clickable navigation landmark. List with 9 items. About collapsed. Download link. Current page. Get help link. Main landmark. Download button. Zoom Workplace Row 1 Column 2 Lesson 2. Lesson 2. Speak Command keys on. Right arrow, N. NVDA Plus 4. You can, once the installer starts, press the Tab key to move through the options. I recommend choosing the caps lock key as your NVDA key. When you hear that option, press the space bar to select it. NVDA will announce whether the option is checked or unchecked. Continue pressing Tab until you hear a button such as OK, Continue, or Install, then press Enter. When the installation finishes, NVDA will usually start automatically. To start NVDA at any time, press the Windows key, type NVDA, and press Enter. To stop NVDA safely, press the NVDA key plus Q. NVDA will ask if you want to exit. Press Enter to confirm and close NVDA. Practice activity. Download either the installer or the portable version from the NVDA website. Install NVDA or prepare the portable version. Start NVDA and practice stopping it safely using NVDA key plus Q. Turn NVDA back on by pressing Ctrl-Alt-N. If that does not work, simply press the Windows key and type NVDA. In the next lesson, we will learn about the NVDA key and basic controls, including turning speech on and off, adjusting speech rate, and repeating spoken text. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can keep learning how to stay connected to the digital world. Accessibility starts with knowledge, and you're in the right place. Blank, blank. NV Access down, Zoom Workplace column, Zoom Workplace window. Star Lesson 2. Text, Zoom Workplace window. Zoom Workplace. Search, new button. Star Lesson 2. New button. Star Lesson 2. Text, Notepad. Desktop list. Paid to click Z. Zoom Workplace window. New button. Screen sharing meeting controls window. Unmute, currently muted,